We are pleased to show you the 2017 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, backup camera, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers. Come take a test drive today.